Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Hingle from Sarah's Confident Beauties. Thank you for watching, and today I'm going to be showing you a Belle inspired look through my Disney series. And I'm going to be using this palette right here. This one has Timid, which is a matte peachy nude. It has Astute, which is a matte tan. Fanatical, which is a metallic vintage gold, and this very bottom one is called Gingerly, which is a matte caramel. So the first one I'm going to start with is Timid, which I'm going to use all over my lid as a base. And I'm just going to apply it with a blending brush because I'm just going to get it all over. Nice nude, neutral color. Even out my lid, kind of hide any veins that might be showing through. The next color I'm going to use is Astute, which is the matte tan, which is the second lightest color on this palette. And I'm gonna apply that to like my as a transition. I'm gonna do this to the other side. Who hasn't wanted to be a Disney princess? I am so excited to be doing this makeup series. My favorite of all time so far has been the Rainbow series, but my second favorite has been the Game Day Glam. So the Game Day Glam ones you can check out on my YouTube channel, but the Rainbow ones I did live, so I do not have those recorded unless you're part of my makeup page on Facebook. So the next color I'm going to use is Gingerly, which is the matte caramel, which is a little bit darker. I'm going to apply that with a crease brush and work that into my outer V a little bit to kind of add a little bit more definition. Ooh, this is really looking pretty. I'm gonna go back a little spot. I want to add a little extra Astute. Little extra. A little bit more even. Perfect. So there is, I first applied Timid, then Astute, then Gingerly, and then the last color I'm going to use is the Sparkle. Of course, I love Sparkle if you know me. So I'm going to apply Fanatical, which is a color I use quite often, which is a vintage, kind of a vintage metallic gold. So I'm going to apply that to the middle of my lashes, or I keep saying lashes, to my lid, and really pack that in. Add that sparkle. I feel like you can't be a Disney princess without a little sparkle. So sparkly, I love this. Pack it into the other side. Gonna get it in the inner corner. Perfect. Alrighty. So I'm going to use Perfect Liner to line my lashes. And then I'm going to use, I will put on, let's see, a little bit of blush. I'm going to do a little bit of blush, a little bit of bronzer to contour, some lips, and yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of everything today. So, and then I will do my lashes last, but I'm going to start with bronzer. I'm going to use bronzer to contour. I'm using the color Sunset. I haven't used my contouring brush in a while, so I'm going to use that actually today. And I'm going to just do a really light contour. And then a little bit of blush. And we'll do that with a brush, of course. Let's see. I really love our brushes right here. Oh, that's a lot of blush. I'm gonna really blend that out because I know Disney princesses have a lot of blush on, but we don't need that much. Okay. Really focusing on the apples of my cheek because I want to make sure I have that nice blush look, rosy cheeks. And then I'm gonna go on top with our powder to kind of make that blush just a little bit more subtle. Kind of blend in that contour too. Perfect. So then I'm going to blend out, because I totally forgot, blend out my eyes, because I looked in the mirror when I was putting my blush on and was like, whoa, that corner is kind of crazy. Blend this out. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara and then add lips. And I haven't decided, I think I have two colors I'm deciding between. Little Epic mascara. Super bright. My lash is just a little bit. All right, lip time. I'm going to go with Sentimental. I decided while I was putting my mascara, I'm gonna go with Sentimental, which is kind of a pinkish purple. Can't even think of what I would call this. But I'm using a liquid lipstick, so one thing with this is you wanna make sure you scrape off the top. A little goes a long ways. Perfect. This is exactly the color I was going for. excited to finish the series. I will maybe touch up my brows off camera and then show you some finished looks. So have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.